Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So before starting this video, I would request you all to please subscribe to my channel. I really need your support to grow my channel, and that would really motivate me to upload more videos for you guys. So in today's video, I will be reviewing Zouk bag, and it's actually a Zouk handbag. Now if you don't know about Zouk has multiple categories of handbags, tote bags, purses, laptop bags and all of that stuff. It claims that the leather that they're using is vegan and it's cruelty free, and it's quite spacious and all of that thing. The price for me is a little on the higher side because I will be sharing with you my honest review about what we received. So my mother-in-law was actually looking for a really nice handbag. So she ordered the bag from the website, and while it had no return policy, we were not able to return the bag. But they also have their bags available on Amazon, Ajio, Myntra, so you can have a look. And I think the prices are at the lower end on all of these apps because they must be running some discounts and all the stuff. So what we paid was 1899, that was MRP, and there was no discount at that point in time, so we were not happy about it. Let me show you what we received. This is the size of the handbag, and it looks sturdy, like it can carry a lot of stuff because it has good space for sure. And inside you can see there is big space, and then there are some pockets right here, and you also have a chain right here wherein you can keep some of your stuff. So a good spacious bag for sure. The leather looks okay, and I really like the size of the bag. If you are someone who actually needs to carry a lot of stuff on daily basis, you can definitely check them out. Now coming to the handle of the purse, so this is good. The metal is not that great, and then you have the sling which you can adjust according to your requirement, and here is the buckle. Now what we didn't like about this bag was the print of the bag. Now when you see on the screen, you can definitely see the print, but when you see it in person, it is a very cluttered print. Like when you actually have it in your hand, it is, you can't see the shape or the design very nicely. It's not a neat print right here, and in fact all of the bags, it's very it's not that attractive for me. If you follow fashion and if you want something that looks nice on your outfit, definitely not a bag for you, because this print in person doesn't look good, but on screen, on mirror, it looks good. You know what, I don't know how to explain this, but this print is not very it's very blurry. Okay, so when you have this bag, when you actually look at, you will definitely not like it, because it's not what you would expect after looking at the pictures on the website, because the pictures on the website are quite clean, and you can see all the prints very neatly, clearly. But when you have this bag, you will definitely not see the prints that clearly, because it's a very blurry print that they have used. Yeah guys, I just wanted to share my honest review with all of you because as a consumer, you should know what you are buying and what you are paying for. You can check other reviews as well before buying it. It totally depends on what I like. You may not like what you like, I may not like.